All right, today we're gonna bring a USB computer dongle. This is a 5.1. It's a Bluetooth, and we're gonna connect it because we have a Bluetooth speaker here for our computer. On our computer, we want to be able to play some Bluetooth, and we don't have any Bluetooth in our computer. If you guys can see, they would have seen an icon in here. So we're gonna go ahead and set up the actual USB, and if you guys can see it, if you don't have Bluetooth in your computer, take one of your USB slots and this should do it. So we're gonna set this up today to see how it works. So let's go ahead and set it up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plug in a USB. We're gonna, one connection, take any connection you want to the USB, put it in there, and we're gonna set it up on our computer. All right, we just plugged it in right now, and there it is. It just came up automatically. I didn't have to do anything to it, all right? I didn't have to do nothing. Right now, the only speakers I have, I can't even play anything in here. The only speakers I have is probably just the computer. And you can't even hear anything. See, audio is on, fully on. There's nothing connected to it. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And we're gonna actually put Bluetooth, hold on the Bluetooth. Okay, we're gonna start looking for it. So we're gonna start looking for it. We're gonna say add now. We're gonna say add Bluetooth device. And we're gonna go add here. Now we go to Bluetooth devices. And it's gonna start looking for it. And it found it. There it is. So we're gonna connect it. Done. So you guys can hear it. And now we're able to.
This is the loudest snow I've ever heard in my Santa.
So that's it. We got it set up. The Bluetooth, simple as that. I'm able to set up the computer with the Bluetooth USB. It came on a little box like this. The instructions are in here. No software necessary. I am running Windows 10 right now on it. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.